how to insert page numbers from a specific page in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to insert page numbers starting from the specific page in Google Docs. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, once you are in the welcome page and a table of content, now here, if you want to add the page number from the start from the content page, then you simply have to place your cursor at the top of the page where you want to start numbering to start. So now here you can just go to the top menu and just click on insert. And now here from the drop down menu, just click on break, and after that simply click on the section break and it will add a new blank page. So here you can just press backspace to remove it if you like. And with that, you just have to click on insert again. And there you just have to click on page numbers. And now here in this section, simply choose the layout you prefer, like top or the bottom. So here, simply choose it, and once you're done with it, simply click on apply. And after that, now you'll see the numbers appearing on all pages. Now go to the page where you want the number to begin. So at the top or the bottom, and there just tick the option, and there you can start with any number if you want, and this will separate the section so the number will start fresh. And that's it. That's how you can successfully add numbers starting from a specific page in Google Docs. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.